आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
And there are a lot more, but keeping in mind your shortage of time, operation manager and program manager Mr. Waqas is waiting for us at Islamabad. He is from VBF and he is shortly going to be on my operation. Assalamu alaikum, Waqas, can you hear me?
Walaikum assalam. Shomaya, yes, we can hear you. Am I audible enough? Because we are facing some low internet connectivity here in Quetta.
Okay, that's perfect. I just want you to know that our respected chief guest is here, and all the worthy guests that I shared with you the list, they are here, and the participants, we were just there to just talk to you. So since he has the shortage of time, so we will not take his a lot of time. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So now it's my turn to share some remarks and to say a gratitude to the honorable guest. Am I getting you rightly?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you Shomaya, thank you, and thank you everyone, distinguished guests, trainees, ladies and gentlemen, and a special thanks to the honorable chief guest Mia Imran Masood, Vice Chancellor of the University of South Asia and former Education Minister of Punjab. This is Waqas Malook and I am working as a program officer at the Vision Building Future organization. It is a privilege to address you today as one of the guests of honor for the closing ceremony of this remarkable initiative of the Alumni Smart Grants Program. While I deeply regret not being able to join you in person due to my official commitments in Quetta, but I am delighted to connect with you virtually. On behalf of Vision Building Future organization, it is an honor and privilege to witness another successful initiative that aligns with our organizational goal to empower communities through education and professional development. Let me first express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest Mia Imran Masood for joining us. As Shomaya told me, Imran Masood's exceptional contribution to education and higher education in Pakistan have left an incredible mark on the sector. During his tenure as education minister, he brought some very meaningful reforms for the overall education development of Punjab and other deserving communities. His presence today is a testament of his commitment to fostering educational excellence, and sir, we are truly privileged to have you with us. I wish to extend my warmest congratulations to Shomaya and her trainees for successfully completing the 60-hour teacher training program. I tell you very honestly that Shomaya is one of our most active and passionate alumni who continually demonstrated her dedication for bringing meaningful change through her initiatives with the community. And likewise, this training program is yet another example of her incredible commitment and leadership. The Teaching Excellence and Achievement Program is funded by the Regional English Language Office at the US Embassy in Islamabad, and we at the Vision Building Future organization are implementing this transformative initiative to enhance the professional skills of in surplus secondary school teachers across Pakistan. This prestigious key program provides teachers with the opportunity to attend 6-week professional development course at a university in the United States. Upon their return the Teach Smart Grants initiative empowers our tea alumni to give back to their communities by implementing impactful projects such as this training. In the last year, 35 small grants were awarded, which ultimately benefited 900 teachers across Pakistan and also empowered 30,000 students across different regions of Pakistan. Shomailah initiative is a shining example of how tea alumni translate their international experiences into meaningful local contribution. My colleagues visited her grant and were deeply impressed by her dedication and hard work for her trainees. I will not take much of the time because of some internet connectivity issues and because of limited time duration, but I would like to extend my congratulations to Shomailah for successfully completing this training and her trainees as well. So at Vision Building Future, we are proud to support initiatives. Our organization is actively working across Pakistan to promote youth empowerment, professional development and gender mainstreaming. We have already established partnerships with higher education institutes such as Waqas University, Murray, Capital University, University of Punch, University of Pakistan, to name a few. And we are also looking forward to form new collaborations to broaden our impact and to create meaningful change in the society. To the trainees, I would like to say that this training is just the beginning of your journey. The knowledge and skills which you have gained should serve as a foundation for your professional development and continuous growth to your communities. And while pursuing your professional development, you should also avail new opportunities such as teaching knowledge test certification from Cambridge University, and I trust that Shomailah and my colleagues have already shared this opportunity with you, and I strongly encourage to take advantage of it. In conclusion, I would like to extend my congratulations to all of you once again, and I wish you best of luck to bring meaningful impact for a brighter future in education, and let's hold the vision and the values of key program, of meaningful initiatives of the government sector for making meaningful differences in our communities and beyond. Thank you, Shomailah, for giving me a time, and I wish you the very best of luck for this professional journey as well as for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Mean a lot for me and for all the participants. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Shomailah.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।